it after a long time. And are you all hungry and you want to eat yummy food and you're bored in quarantine? Your mama is not making yummy food. So I am with a recipe and it's really simple. You can try it at home. So the ingredients you will need is butter, bread, jam and a knife to spread it. So let's start with the video. Now take the slice of a bread and I am taking a butter knife. Now pull out your butter and spread around the bread. Butter is so yummy. Now I'm taking jam. This is a mixed fruit jam. Now I'm spreading jam. Which color is this? This is a red color jam. Now we'll do the same on the other side. This is red color jam. You all like jam? It have strawberries, mango, banana, orange, apple, papaya and many more fruits like pineapple and all. We all love fruits, right? Now I'll take the both sides and I'll take it over it and your sandwich is ready. Now I'll cut the sandwich in half so you can share it with your brother or sister. Our sandwich is ready. Kids, you will try this at home. It's yummy.